The weather is perfect today, Mark. Let's start the garden.
I am ready. I have my big shovel and gloves.
I want to plant flowers near the wooden fence.
That is a good place. It gets a lot of sun.
Should we plant roses? Or maybe some lavender?
Lavender smells very nice. I like that idea.
We also need some space for vegetables.
I want to grow big red tomatoes this summer.
Tomatoes need a lot of water and care.
I can water them every morning before work.
I want to grow some fresh green salad too.
Salad grows very fast. We can eat it in June.
Let's draw a small plan on the ground.
I am using this stick to make lines.
The flowers go here on the left side.
And the tomatoes go here on the right.
Is the soil good here? It looks very dry.
We need to add some fresh black earth.
I have 3 bags of soil in the garage.
I will go and get them now. They are heavy.
Thank you, Mark. I will find the seeds.
Where are the seeds? Are they in the kitchen?
No, they are in a small green box.
I see the box on the garden table.
Perfect. We have everything we need for today.
Gardening is hard work, but it is fun.
It is very peaceful to work outside.
Look, Topi the cat is watching us.
He thinks we are playing in the dirt.
Maybe he wants to help us dig.
This ground is very hard today.
Use your foot on the shovel, Mark.
I am trying. The soil is full of old roots.
Should I help you with the small hand tool?
No, I can do the heavy work. Just wait.
I am removing the small stones from the path.
Put them in that red bucket over there.
Okay, these stones are very pretty and smooth.
Maybe we can use them for a border.
That is a great idea for the flower bed.
I am making the first row for the tomatoes.
How deep should the hole be for them?
About 20 centimeters, not too deep.
I am opening the bag of fresh soil now.
Pour some into the holes, please.
This soil feels very soft and cold.
It has a lot of vitamins for the plants.
I hope the birds do not eat our seeds.
We can use a small net to protect them.
Do we have a net in the shed?
Yes, I saw it near the old bicycle.
I am very thirsty now. Do you want water?
Yes, please. A cold glass of water is great.
I will go to the kitchen for a minute.
Bring some for Toby, too. He is thirsty.
I am coming back now with the bottles.
Thank you. The sun is very hot today.
Drink slowly. We have a lot of time.
I am ready for the next row now.
Let's start with the lavender seeds. These seeds are very small. They look like dust.
Be careful. Don't let the wind blow them.
I am putting 3 seeds in every hole.
That is good. At least one will grow.
I am covering them with a little bit of dirt.
Don't press too hard. They need to breathe.
I know. I am being very gentle with them.
Now let's plant the tomato small plants.
They have green leaves already. They look healthy.
I bought them at the market yesterday morning.
You are a very good gardener, Mark.
I am just a beginner, like you, Emma.
But our backyard looks much better now.
I am putting a wooden stick near the tomato.
Why do you need a stick for a plant?
It helps the plants to grow straight and tall.
I see. It is like a house for them.
Exactly. It supports them when they are heavy.
I am planting the yellow flowers now.
Yellow is a very happy color for a garden.
It matches the blue paint on our house.
We are making a very beautiful place here.
I want to put a small birdhouse here.
I can build one next weekend in the garage.
Really? You are very handy, Mark.
I like working with wood and tools.
We can paint the birdhouse red and white.
The birds will love their new home.
I am finished with the seeds now.
Now it is time for the water.
Where is the green watering can, Mark?
It is near the big tree. I filled it.
It is very heavy. I need 2 hands.
Let me help you carry it to the flowers.
Thank you. The water is very cold.
Pour it slowly near the roots of the plants.
I can see the soil getting dark and wet.
The plants are very thirsty after the sun.
Look at the water on the green leaves.
It looks like small diamonds in the light.
You are very poetic today, Mark.
Nature makes me feel happy and creative.
Should I water the tomatoes too?
Yes, they need a lot of water every day.
I will use the garden hose for the grass.
Be careful, don't get my boots wet.
Oops, sorry about your boots, Mark.
My feet are very cold now. You are funny.
It was an accident, I promise.
I'm just kidding. It feels good in the heat.
The grass is very green and fresh now.
We need to cut the grass next week.
We have a new lawnmower in the shed.
I will use it on Saturday morning.
I will make a big salad for lunch then.
A garden lunch sounds perfect.
I am putting the watering can away.
I am cleaning the shovel with a cloth.
Good tools last for a long time.
Yes, my father gave me this old shovel.
Emma, come here. Look at this big stone.
Wow, it is very large and very flat.
I found it deep in the soil near the fence.
It looks like a small table for a fairy.
Or a seat for a very small person.
Let's wash it with the garden hose.
The stone is gray with some white lines.
It is very beautiful. Can we keep it?
Yes, let's put it under the big tree.
It can be a place for our coffee cups.
It is very heavy. I need to use my muscles.
You are very strong today, Mark.
Gardening is better than the gym.
I agree, and we have fresh air here.
I am moving the stone now. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. It looks very natural there.
Now, Toby has a place to sit in the sun.
Toby is a very lucky cat.
We are very lucky people, Emma.
We have a home and a beautiful garden.
And we have each other to help.
I am cleaning my hands with a wet towel.
My hands are very black from the soil.
That is the mark of a real gardener.
I am proud of my dirty hands today.
Let's put the tools in the garage now.
I'm locking the shed door.
The sun is going down. It is getting cool.
Let's sit on the bench for a few minutes.
That is a great idea. I am tired. Our backyard looks so different now.
It looks like a real park, Emma.
I can't wait to see the first flowers.
They will grow in 2 or 3 weeks.
I will take a photo every day.
We can make a garden diary on your tablet.
That is a wonderful idea for the winter.
We can look at the photos when it is snowing.
And remember this beautiful sunny day.
My boots are finally dry now.
Sorry again for the water, Mark.
It is okay. It was a funny moment.
What is for dinner tonight? I'm hangry.
Let's order some pizza. We worked hard.
Pizza sounds great, with extra cheese.
We can heat it here on the porch.
The sky is very purple and orange now.
It is the most beautiful time of the day.
I can hear the birds in the trees.
They are happy about their new garden too.
Tomorrow I will buy some bird food.
We can put it in the new birdhouse.
Gardening is a never-ending story.
But it is a very happy story, Emma.
I am glad we did this together.
Me too. You are the best partner.
I'm going inside to call the pizza place.
I will stay here and watch the stars.
Don't stay too long, it is getting cold.
I am coming in 5 minutes. See you inside.